I'd like to give you a quick intro in our next generation one-key drills and percussion drills. With a head length of only 175 mm and the weight of 1.5 kilograms, our engineers have again succeeded in developing a tool that is not only more compact. This tool is also extremely more powerful with a torque of 158 Nm. Our power state brushless motor delivers in the second gear setting up to 2100 rounds per minute, and in the percussion mode we have 33,000 beats per minute. We continue to revolutionize the job site by delivering best-in-class products with the introduction of our next generation one-key drills and percussion drills. This expansion delivers us the next generation of drilling and driving solution with the fastest driving speed, enhanced safety and advanced customization technology for our user. But we not only increase the performance and decrease the size, we also increased our user safety with the auto-stop. You can adjust the sensibility of the auto-stop easily via the app. You can also adjust your speed and your trigger control to have the perfect match between your accessory and your tool.